Masa al-Kir ala el-Jami. Today, I stand before you to celebrate a nation whose heart beats with resilience, pride, and unity. From the largest country in Africa, where the golden sands of the Sahara meets the blue waves of the Mediterranean, the pearl of North Africa, my name is Victoria Alessi Misola Disco, representing Algeria. As a student who stands as Miss Algeria, I carry not just the beauty of my nation, but the spirit that defines our people, the spirit of Tadamunun, which means solidarity. Tadamunun is the pulse of Algeria. It is the strength that binds us, the compassion that moves us, and the unity that reminds us we are one. In every village, every street, and every home, we believe in hand. Algerians have learned that true power is not found in standing alone, but in standing together. When our neighbors are in need, we do not turn away. We open our hearts because we are brothers and sisters. Through Tadamunun, Algeria reaches out to the world, offering not just friendship, but a lesson in humanity that unity is not built by power, but by empathy, not by wealth, but by love. When nations choose solidarity, they choose peace. And when we choose peace, we choose life. As Miss Algeria, I stand before the world with pride and hope, to remind every nation that we are together. We can rise above every border, every barrier, and every difference. Because in the heart of every Algerian beats one truth. Maha Nahanu Akwa.